Hello, and welcome to English Unlocked. My name is Daniel, and I'm very happy that you are here with me today. This is a podcast for people who are learning English step by step, slowly, calmly, without pressure. In today's lesson, we talk about daily life conversations, simple English for real life. I will speak slowly and clearly. You can just listen. You don't need to repeat if you don't want to. Listening is already learning. English is part of everyday life. We use it in the morning. We use it during the day. We use it in the evening. Let's start with the beginning of the day. In the morning, I wake up and open my eyes. I look at the light from the window. A new day begins. I say, "Good morning." This is one of the first English phrases many people learn, and it is one of the most important. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. These words are simple, but they help us connect with people. After I wake up, I get out of bed. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. These are small actions, but we do them every day. I look in the mirror and think, today is a new day. Then I go to the kitchen. I prepare breakfast. Sometimes I drink coffee. Sometimes I drink tea. Sometimes I eat bread or fruit. Breakfast gives me energy for the day. People often ask in the morning, "How are you?" And we answer, "I'm fine." "I'm good." "I'm a little tired." All of these answers are normal. All of them are correct. After breakfast, I get dressed. I put on my clothes. I check the time. I say, "I'm ready." Then the day continues. Some people go to work. Some people study. Some people stay at home. I can say, "I go to work." Or, "I study English." Or, "I work from home." These sentences are short, but they are very useful. During the day, we talk to other people. We say hello. We ask simple questions. "Hi, how are you?" "How is your day?" And we answer, "It's good." "It's busy." "It's okay." This is real English. This is daily life. You don't need difficult words to communicate. You need clear words, simple sentences. That is why slow English is important. When you listen slowly, your brain relaxes. When your brain relaxes, understanding grows. In this lesson, we focus on everyday English. English you can use in your life. English you can hear every day. Take your time. Listen calmly. You are learning more than you think. As the day goes on, life becomes more active. Many people leave their homes. They go to work. They go to school. They go to the city. I say, "I'm going to work." Or, "I'm going to study." These sentences are simple, but they are very common. At work, people talk to each other. They greet their colleagues. They ask small questions. "Good morning." "How are you today?" "How is your work?" The answers are usually short. "I'm fine, thank you." "I'm busy today." "I'm a little tired." This is normal English. You hear it every day. You do not need long answers. Short answers are polite and clear. During the day, people do many small tasks. They write messages. They answer emails. They make phone calls. Sometimes the day feels busy. Sometimes it feels slow. You can say, Today is busy. Or, today is calm. Both sentences are correct. During the day, people often take a break. A break is a short time to rest. I say, I take a short break. I need a break. This is useful English. At lunchtime, people talk about food. They ask simple questions. What are you eating? Where do you have lunch? And the answers are easy. I eat at home. I eat at work. I eat with friends. You don't need difficult words. Simple English works. As the afternoon continues, energy can go down. People feel tired. They want to finish their work. You can say, I'm tired. I need some rest. These sentences are honest. They are very human. When the workday ends, people prepare to go home. They pack their things. They say goodbye. See you tomorrow. Have a nice evening. These phrases are friendly and common. Now the day slowly changes. The evening begins. In the evening, life becomes quieter again. People come home. They take off their shoes. They relax. I say, I'm home. I'm tired, but I'm okay. In the evening, people often talk about their day. How was your day? It was good. It was long. It was busy. All of these answers are natural. The evening is a time to slow down, to eat dinner, to rest, to think. You do not need to speak a lot. You just need to speak honestly. This is how daily life English works. Simple words, simple sentences, real moments. Listening to English like this helps you feel comfortable. Comfort helps confidence grow. You are not learning English for tests. You are learning English for life. Take a breath. Stay calm. And continue listening when you are ready. In the evening, the pace of the day becomes slower. People are no longer in a hurry. They are no longer thinking about tasks and deadlines. They are thinking about rest. When I come home in the evening, I close the door and feel relief. The noise stays outside. Inside, it is quiet. I change my clothes. I wash my hands. I take a deep breath. I say to myself, the day is almost over. In the evening, many people eat dinner. Dinner is usually simple. People talk about food. What's for dinner? I'm hungry. I'm not very hungry. These are common sentences. You can hear them every day. During dinner, people often talk about their day. How was your day? It was okay. It was busy. It was long. You do not need a long story. One sentence is enough. After dinner, people relax in different ways. Some people watch TV. Some people listen to music. Some people read. Some people talk. I say, I want to relax. I need some rest. These sentences are very useful. In the evening, English can be calm. It does not need to be loud or fast. You can listen. You can think. You can be quiet. Sometimes, people feel tired in the evening. Sometimes, they feel calm. Sometimes, they feel thoughtful. All these feelings are normal. You can say, I'm tired. I feel calm. I feel okay. These sentences help you express yourself. As the evening continues, the world outside becomes quieter. Fewer cars. Fewer sounds. Inside, the light is soft. The atmosphere is peaceful. This is a good time for slow English. Listening in the evening helps your brain relax. When your brain relaxes, learning becomes easier. You do not need to understand everything. You do not need to remember every word. Your brain is listening. Your brain is learning. Daily life English is not about being perfect. It is about being comfortable. When English feels comfortable, you use it more. When you use it more, you improve naturally. This is how progress happens. Quietly. Step by step. Take another slow breath. Stay with the sound of the language. You are doing well. As the evening moves closer to night, everything becomes even quieter. The body feels heavier. The mind feels slower. There is no need to hurry anymore. People begin to prepare for sleep. Not quickly. Not suddenly. Slowly. I turn off bright lights. I leave only a small lamp on. The room feels warm and safe. I move more slowly now. Every action is calm. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I look at myself in the mirror. I do not judge. I simply notice. I say quietly, "Today is finished." These words are simple, but they bring peace. At night, thoughts can appear. Small thoughts. Soft thoughts. Thoughts about the day. About conversations. About moments. I let these thoughts come and go. I do not hold them. Night is not a time to solve problems. Night is a time to rest. I lie down. The bed supports my body. I feel comfortable. My breathing becomes slower, deeper. In this moment, English does not feel like a lesson. It feels like a background sound, a familiar voice. Listening like this helps your brain in a gentle way. There is no pressure, no effort. Even if you feel sleepy, it is okay. Your brain still hears the rhythm, the sounds, the calm pace. Learning can happen quietly. You do not need to repeat words now. You do not need to think about grammar. Just listening is enough. Daily life English is everywhere. In the morning, during the day, in the evening, and now, at night, English can be part of rest. This is how language becomes natural, not forced, not stressful. Little by little, English becomes familiar, comfortable, safe. You are not late. You are not behind. You are learning in your own rhythm. Stay calm. Stay present. Let the day go. The night will take care of the rest. As this lesson comes to an end, there is nothing more you need to do. You don't need to stay awake. You don't need to remember every word. You don't need to think about progress right now. Just rest. Today, you listen to English as part of daily life, not as a task, not as a test, but as something natural. English can exist in quiet moments, in simple thoughts, in calm evenings. Learning does not always need effort. Sometimes, learning happens best when you feel relaxed. Your brain has been listening. It has been noticing sounds. It has been recognizing patterns. Even if you did not understand everything, something important still happened. Understanding grows slowly. Confidence grows quietly. You are building familiarity. And familiarity creates comfort. Comfort creates confidence. You do not need to rush. You do not need to compare yourself to others. Your rhythm is right. Some days you will listen more. Some days less. Both are okay. What matters is returning. Listening again. staying connected to the language. English is not something far away. It is already part of your life, in the words you hear, in the sentences you understand, in the moments you feel calm while listening. Thank you for spending this time with me. This was English Unlocked. My name is Daniel. I'll be here again when you are ready to listen. Until then, take care of yourself. Breathe slowly. Rest well. And remember, learning can be calm.